find mode of a given data, that is from statistics class 10 exercise 14.2 number 4. The following table gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of our country. Here the table, the class interval gives the number of students per teacher and the frequency is number of states or union territories of our country. So we know that mean is the average of a given data and mode is the data which has maximum frequency. Here the maximum frequency is 10 or the highest frequency is 10. Let's write this. Highest frequency equal to 10. So we can take F1 equal to 10. So modal class is this one. Modal class is 30 to 35. Lower limit of modal class. Lower limit of modal class L equal to 30. This is lower limit and this is higher limit. Class size H equal to 35 minus 30, it is 5. This is F1. It's the frequency of preceding class is called F0. Let's denote as F0 and the frequency of succeeding class is F2. We have to write frequency of preceding class F0 is equal to 9 and frequency of succeeding class F2 equal to 3. We have to write this statement clearly. Next, formula to find mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into the class size H. L here is 30 plus F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 by 2 into F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 minus F2 is here 3 into class size H is 5. So it will be 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1 divided by 2 into 10 is 20 minus 3 minus 9 is minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8 into 5. So it will be 30 plus 5 by 8. It will be 0.625. 0.625. So it will be 30.625 is the mode of this distribution. Thank you my dear student. Please subscribe this channel and also motivate your friends to subscribe.